Tutorial question 6. A rectangular water gate width is 0.5 meter used to separate two water tanks. Water gate start to open when water level in the left tank drop 0.5 meter from the hinge. So this is the hinge. Water level in the right tank remains at a height of 2 meters. Calculate the weight of the water gate. So this is the weight of the water gate. So here we have two liquid, which is both of them is water, two liquid side that share one plate here. So and then we could draw all the distance in this situation. For example, the distance, the wide distance for this free surface from this free surface to the end is 1.15, and from the hinge to here is 1.73, and then the height is 1.5 and 0.5. These two value is given in the question. So and then the height from the hinge to the free surface here is 0.58. So the depth here is 1 meter. This is also given in the question. For left water tank here, we could calculate the resultant force as this one. The equation is rho GHCA, and then according to the previous calculation that we could have here, so it is equal to the HC here, it is equal 0.5, which is the 1 here divided by 2. So and then the area of the submerged area is 1.15 times 0.5. So this is the length of 1.15, which is the submerged area here. So multiply with 0.5, which is the width of the gate. So we get it is 2.82 kilonewton. And then we could calculate the YR for the left tank. It is equal to 0.77 meter. So and then for the right water tank here, we could calculate the force rho GHCA as shown here, and then we could get it is equal to 10.61 kilonewton, and the YR here is 1.62 meter. Then we could draw the diagram for moment calculation. So we have hinge, so we have force at the left, we have force at the right, and then we could draw the weight here. So as you know, if we have an object here, so the weight must act downward like this, but we could take the each component, okay, as mg cos theta. So in this solution, so I take the mg cos theta here as the force, and then we could take the distance of b here for calculation of moment. So this is the equation that we could develop for the equilibrium in a rotating moment. So we substitute all the value here. We could get the weight of the gate is 16.7 kilonewton.